Welcome, welcome, welcome back to my channel, Beacons of Light. Just be it, be what? Your greatest self in this lifetime. Welcome back. I've been gone for some time and I've been meditating. I've been watching the world. I've been watching what's going on, paying attention. So wherever you may be watching from around the world, Africa, Asia, Europe, North and South America, even Antarctica, wherever you may be watching from, welcome back. So today's topic, what is on my spirit, what came to mind, is voting. Okay, this voting business that is going around. If you notice, around the world, everyone is voting, either voting or electing or selecting a new mayor, a new president, a new prime minister, a new governor, whatever. I just want you to pay attention to what's going on. Pay attention, pay attention, pay attention. Don't just go out and give your vote without asking for something. Let me repeat that again. Don't just go out giving your vote without asking for something. You can't just vote and expect change. It doesn't work that way. I don't care if you're in America, Democrat or Republican, or if you're somewhere else in another country, maybe Labor Party, maybe Progressive. Don't just give your vote away. All elections can be rigged. Can I say that again? Yes, all elections can be rigged. Matter of fact, most presidents are selected, not elected. If you're an African, wherever you may reside, in Europe, Asia, on the continent Africa, South and North America, your vote should and must always be African sovereignty and African unity. Period. I don't care who is in position of power, who you elect or select to be your prime minister or government or governor or president or mayor. If you are African, your vote should and must always be African unity first and African sovereignty. Because we need leadership in our communities, in our countries, so-called countries or nations, so that we can move forward and become our greatest versions. We cannot continue pondering. We cannot continue bickering. We have to look in the mirror and ask ourselves those hard questions. What and where should we go from now? Those who have created their futures started today. They didn't pray it away. They didn't pray for it to come. They worked hard collectively in the same order and measures that they wanted to see their future come about. So if you're an African, I don't care where you reside, your goal, your ultimate goal and vote should always be for African unity and sovereignty. Because when we have African unity and sovereignty, we can become our greatest versions. We can build our communities the way we want it to look like. We can create our own financial systems, our own governments that supports and caters to African people. We must be African-centered. We must be African-centered. We must be African-centered. Enough talk, let's get to work. That's the vote all Africans should be voting for. On to the next one. That's all I got today. That's what came in my spirit. That's what came on my mind. That's what I want to share for now and for eternity. Mind, power, eternity. Your greatness lives within you. You just have to go within and bring it out. On to the next one. Beacons of Light. Just be it. Be what? Your greatest self. Welcome back, YouTube family. peace, and always one love.